Yo, what's up, digital ecom fam? It's Scott here, and today I'm about to blow your mind. I'm holding up this shark right here, and I was inspired by a recent e-commerce guru named Ecom King, and he shared how you could use these AI tools to do all the heavy lifting and make really cool product images.
So I'm going to be showing you how to create viral image ads using 100% only AI, and this is the same method that I'm using $1,000 a day with my dropshipping stores running Facebook ads using image ads only. Here are some examples that I made literally in just 10 minutes using this method.
So for those of you out there using Canva or wasting time editing photos, I'm here to tell you with the AI, it does all the heavy lifting. And why is it a game changer? Well, before you would upload photos and you would not get the exact product quality of the photo of this. You would get something different, like something that looks like it. Well, nowadays you can upload all these different angles of your photos and then ask it to recreate whatever background or customers using your product or at the beach or getting ready to travel, go to the beach and have, attractive women. Women sell everyone very well. And you could use these keywords and train the AI to make different images that look identical to your exact product. And that little creativity is game changer right now. So let me share with you how you can do it. And this is really helpful for those of you running Shopify stores, running your product photos and need really high quality photos, and how it's already helping me change the game right now for my store and my product images and helping me get a much higher add to cart rate and higher conversion rate at the end of the day, everyone, to pull in $1,000 days. Easily pull in $1,000 days with this information. So hang tight, everyone. Let me share with you how to do it and how to use it. Look at these ads. I didn't shoot them. I didn't hire a model. I didn't even touch Canva. In the past, everyone, I would always be on Canva with my students, finding a logo, finding a banner, and these were made absolutely free with ChatGPT or Free Pick. And with Free Pick, everyone, I'm getting ready to show you the power of Free Pick, because over there you could actually upload a bunch of different angles of your product and it will create you an exact identical model of your product. Another thing that's really cool with the AI is if you're creating any type of inspirational, motivational quotes and stuff like that need text, this has been awesome for me. I've been able to create some really cool stuff with Rocky and different text for my motivational stuff. Also with this bag right here, everyone, this bag is popping off as summer is coming. And I just put in here, my name of my product is called Lux Travel. And here's one of the current winning photos that's working right now. And it made me my own photo for my exact product here, everyone. This is a fire job. Let me give you another example. This is my actual winning product right now. It's a dining chair cover. And this model right here is fire. I even love the text. I like the dog sitting on the chair too. Amazing job, everyone. I couldn't have done this. Let me share with you what else I've done. I uploaded these photos right here because I want to give a bonus away to each one of my customers, a free bonus leg protectors. And instead of me going out there and going on Canva trying to create this, let me show you what my first version is right here to my last version. Let me share with you guys how the progression was made with the AI. Look at this version here. Look how good this came out with the dog in the background. It came out looking great. Let me go to my next one here. Look at this one right here. Fire, 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 everyone. Amazing job. It's got my chairs perfectly in the background with the dog right there. Amazing job. I'm super happy with this. And let's see here. This is another cool photo right here, everyone. Here is a winning product for my students. It's called a magnetic frame for kids. And it's able to hold over up to 150 artwork. All I did is I uploaded the different photos and I said, please give me the best photo for this product that you could make, the most best photo. And this is what it came up with. And I also said, it's springtime right now, so come up with something with spring vibe. And here's another really cool photo that it made. I couldn't have made this model, everyone. This model was amazing, beautiful, and even I put a cat sitting on the chair. So everyone, this is a perfect example of how I'm using the AI right now and adding the different titles and text, creating the different cool little logos in there. And also, let me share with you one more thing, everyone, because this bag right here is looking really cool. Let me share with you some of these photos that it made. Isn't that cool with these two couples getting ready to board on an airplane? That is so fire. And then I said, please provide me some more women, happy women smiling. And then I asked it another one. So you can literally go on and have it help you. So let me share with you how to do this from step 1, everyone, and how to do step 2, step 3. So these are the different things that you can do, but how can you really do it for your business and for your product and do it step by step? So watch me do it right now, everyone. Get excited. Give this video a like if you're already getting value and you can't wait to start making your own photos right now. And guess what, everyone? You can also learn how to take these photos and turn them into videos. And I will show you as a bonus if you watch till the end of this video. Step 1, everybody, you want to gather as many product images of your product as possible. This angle, that angle, so they can see the fabric, the details. You want at least 15 high quality images. And if you're going to pick any different product, you want to pick, you know, the product that you're currently marketing. You don't just want to play around with this, because when we upload these to freepik.com, you actually pay about $18 with the coupon right now, a 20% coupon on freepik.com, and it's about $18 for the month. And you can generate as many images as you want that have gone viral for me and that are really hot. And you guys are going to love this. But first, you want to go to AliExpress, you want to go to Amazon, you want to go to Google, and you want to make sure to get all the different angles and the top side, left side, right side, the lifestyles, because when we are uploading these over to Freepik, you're going to want to really just make sure that the AI understands all the different angles. So when you say that, hey, I want a woman on the beach wearing the sandals, or I want a woman boarding an airplane, you know, it knows the back of the bag, the side of the bag, it knows where the tassel is, so it can make an identical image. Does that make sense, everyone? Put your hand up or put a like on this video if that makes sense, how important it is to get the best images so the AI knows how to clone the very best for your product. So that's going to be the first step, everyone. Just start downloading every JPEG, PNG, go to Amazon, go to Ali, go to all those different formats and get those photos. Once you got all your images, we're going to jump over to freepik.com and we're going to create you guys a free account. And it has an AI suite, and I'm going to show you how to get around the AI suite. And it's got the object feature, and that's the feature that you guys are going to want to use. Is when you upload your product, it's going to be an object, and you're going to have it into your program, into your account. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. Now you're probably thinking, Scott, why aren't you just taking me over to ChatGPT and showing with me how to do that there? Well, usually you want to start here first so you can get an identical clone of your product, because usually ChatGPT doesn't know how to make an identical clone unless you give it all those different angles. So here is really where you want to start, because this has the object feature itself. ChatGPT doesn't have it, but it does give you really good results as well. So let's go ahead and jump right into Freepik right now. All right, everybody, when you're inside, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be called the Picasso AI Image Generator. And you're just going to use the regular Flux model, Flux 1.0, because this is what it uses for the object feature here. And so when you go into the objects, I have my dining chair covers here already, and I've already uploaded them. So if I want to use them, now they're in here in the prompt on the left up here on the opposite side of me, and I could say, make me a kid, you know, sitting down on the chair with the dog on the other chair, something like that, you know what I mean? And I accidentally just created a 16 by 9 image instead of like a 1 by 1 image. So this is kind of how you want to do it here. There's different ways of doing it. You can choose what style, square, widescreen, whichever size. And look at what it created for me, everyone, right here. This is awesome. This is so cool. Let me try to move this over here so you can see. Look at that. So literally, this is really funny. Like, how could you have a kid and a dog sitting on the opposite side of each other? That's really awesome. And that was just a quick thing that I said. Here's another one that it made me here too. Here's a little, this looks like a boxer and a little girl sitting on the chair. And the cool part about it, everyone, this is my identical chair that I'm selling with the exact fabric, the exact lines and everything. And I could not get that any other way. So let me share with you over here. This is how you're going to use the tool here, the Picasso Freepik tool. Is you're going to go upload your actual object. Okay, you're going to click on object here. You're going to hit a plus sign. You're going to hit new object, and you're going to give it a name, everybody. Let me share with you how this works. Okay, so let's just say travel bag. Okay, travel bag, and I'll just say travel bag here. And then I'll just say travel bag again. Okay, that's the name. That's what I'm uploading. and I'm going to upload a bunch of different images of this travel bag that I have. I got about 30 different images, okay, here. Take a look, everybody. Look at all these images there of the travel bag. And I want to make sure to click Ultra. And then that way, when I start asking the AI to make me this travel bag, you know, when someone's boarding an airplane or doing this or doing that, or lifestyle images, it's going to have every different angle possible that I can get my hands on. Now, one thing to point out to you, everyone, it takes about 5,500 credits to do this right here. This is powerful. If you wanted to actually pay someone to do these images, it would be way too costly. You couldn't even do it. But one thing I want to point out to you is that I've already paid $20 for about 18,000 credits, and I'm already down to 3,000 credits already. So if you want to do this, you need to get the $18 a month version, and I would get your images, get them done, because this is going to really save you guys and girls a lot of money when it comes to high converting images that are going to convert and give you guys a lifestyle, an exact product identical of what you're selling. So I just want to share with you what it costs and what it is to do. But this is how you do it, everyone. Once you got it in here, now you go back over here to the Picasso generator, and you're just going to say whatever your object is. Okay, so let me go ahead and click on that there. So you're going to go back into Create, and then you're going to put the name of your object. So there's all kinds of different objects in here right now, and all you're going to do is put your exact object, and it's going to be in here. So you're going to have your object like silver cream, exactly. Okay, so silver cream, for example. So on the left hand side here, you're going to put the prompt here at silver cream. Okay, silver cream. Here it is right there. Create me a lifestyle image, you know, with happy, smiling, attractive women in Florida or California vibes or something like that. You get what I'm saying? And I'm going to hit create, and it's going to create me that exact silver cream. So just give it an example, everyone. I don't want to go waste credits on a product I'm not marketing right now. So give you an example, and then it's going to create these beautiful images. And this is a 16 by 9 right here versus I could have set a 1 by 1, a square, etc., etc. So everyone, this is a beautiful example of how you upload your product, create an object, and then start asking it how you want the ads to be. And what you want to think about is what your competitors are saying and doing. So if your competitors are using women smiling or close-up shots or different shots, you want to say exactly what it is that they're doing inside those prompts right here, so you could make the best very prompt for yourself. So just to remember, everyone, this is where you go pick what size you want. You want a square image. You want a 16 by 9 image. If you want a 9/16 image, which is like a story size, there's all different sizes here. You just make sure to pick the one that's right for you. And I don't really mess with the characters or the effects, but the characters, everyone, it's the same thing as uploading ourself. So if you want to upload yourself a bunch of different times, like Scott, then you could start asking the AI to make photos of you. Crazy, right? It's like replicating your DNA. And this is the same exact thing as object feature as well. But I wouldn't really worry about this, but it just shows you the power of the free pick tool. And I'm going to be showing you the power of the ChatGPT tool here next. But I just want to share with you, everyone, that I first started with here making my perfect photos of my product, and then I took it over into ChatGPT and made it a little bit better. All right, everyone, now this is where it gets really fun. Now that we have our object created, we can just go in there and get ideas with different prompts and put in our object and say, I want my object at the beach, or I want my object here or there, and it starts getting real life examples. And then once you have some of those awesome photos, I'm going to show you how then you could bring those into ChatGPT and upload any image that inspires you, like competitor ads or UGC ads, which is user generated ads. And then you're going to ask ChatGPT to write you a better image than the one that you uploaded. And I'm going to show you exactly what I did and how I came up with even better. So I'll even give you guys some of the prompts that I'm using today with ChatGPT inside the description below, so you could use those. And just a pro tip, everybody, make sure to tell ChatGPT what size image that you want to be created, like a 1x1, which is square, or 16x9. And don't forget to ask it to upsize it, like make it 4K for really crisp visuals, like magnifying crisp visuals, basically. So we're going to be diving on into ChatGPT right now, and I'm going to show you guys about 3 different examples of how it's made my photos a lot better and even added great text. And the reason why we use ChatGPT, because it's a much better quality when it comes to photos, in the actual font and text that it makes us is a phenomenal. Like right here behind me, everyone, this is made with ChatGPT. Look how easy it is to read and how nice it is. It took me a few seconds to make this, and that's the power of what we're doing here. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it for your e-commerce business right now. Here's a perfect example how to start using ChatGPT to help you make better photos for your product image ads. So what I did is I took this travel bag and I gave it like 4 or 5 different high quality photos right here. You could see the tassel, you could see the outside here of when there's nothing in the bag, you can see when there's products in the bag like you're getting ready to travel, and then you see a lifestyle image here of a couple getting ready to get, travel. So what I said is I said, remake me this image, but make it more attractive, that what's going to be best for my website, best for my brand, best for my audience. What's going to attract me the most sales, everybody? And look here what it made me. Look at this beautiful image. So it took all those photos and then it made me even this text right here. Perfect weekender bag for spring travel. Not sure if I said this, guys, but I said it's springtime right now, so it actually put in there spring. And look at how it put in there the tassel, the durable metal buckle. I didn't tell it to put that. It actually put that in there perfectly for me. And it even put this woman and man in there. So what I said is I said, hey, if I'm thinking travel, I'm thinking going to the beach. I'm thinking doing something like that. So that's exactly what I'm thinking. And then I asked it, well, what about this photo here, everyone? And this is a TSA friendly bag here. Really cool. And this came out fire. And this is just made with ChatGPT. Here's another image that I asked it here with a man and a woman getting on an airplane, and there's the same identical bag. You can see the tassel, you can see the quality, and it even put destination beach just to kind of build that vibe. And that was just done automatically with ChatGPT. And then I said, please make me one with some women together with this bag. And it did, and I said, well, wait a minute, why are they all have the white bag? And so what I ended up saying is, make me one with different colors, so they're not just using the all white bag. So they got the black one, the pink one, and then the white one. So everyone, this is the power of ChatGPT and how you could ask it to help you make really good photos. But it needs to know all the different angles of your product, and you could start then building these really high quality photos. Now, I really do believe that ChatGPT is great for adding in text, but it's not the best for making identical photos of your product. And that's why Free Pick is going to be a game changer when it comes to doing that type of stuff. Everyone, Free Pick is going to be the very best when it comes to cloning your exact product, but ChatGPT is going to be very helpful in making cool photos, but not identical clone of your product. And that's why Free Pick is going to be a very much game changer. But I hope you guys got inspired by using ChatGPT. So what did we just do? We just basically took a product, we uploaded it over to Free Pick, we created a clone, and then we made other lifestyle images. And then we went over to ChatGPT and we said, ChatGPT, please add some features on these images, make a call to action, or maybe say, hey, look, this is my brown color dining chair cover, add the word brown to it, or add the word beige to it. So you could tell ChatGPT after you got these lifestyle images to do really cool text and call to action and features on your actual images. And a perfect example of that is this photo right here of my student's product, which is the kids' art frames, everybody. Fire photo right here. All I did is I uploaded it right to ChatGPT and I said, hey, it's springtime right now. Please take these winning photos and create us another winning, more attractive photo for this. And it even put in there the built-in storage and everything. It did that perfectly. And all we first did was just start with some winning photos like this. So all it takes, everybody, is some winning photos, and then you ask the AI to make it better. And that's where ChatGPT comes in with even... It doesn't misspell, it doesn't make many mistakes, and that's why we're using ChatGPT quite a bit. And it's spring right now, so you want to use that to your advantage. Some of my best converting image ads were in Christmas, and I needed to say, hey, look, change these images from Christmas vibes to spring vibes, and it ended up being amazing. So that is the goal, everyone. I hope you're kind of getting an idea that you want to just take the best working images for your competitors that you can find that the AI could make you with the clone feature, the object feature, and then you take it over to ChatGPT and you say, hey, look, make it more like my brand, change the background, add my colors. This is what my colors are like. Update with my colors on this photo. So there's a lot of different things that ChatGPT can do, everyone, that's next level right now. So I just want you to know, I hope you got a lot of value from this video. Again, give this video a like. And if you're looking for more coaching on actually getting a profitable Shopify store and getting it up and running, my name is Coach Scott. I've been doing this since 2015, everyone. I've gone through so many different ups and downs in dropshipping, and I've gotten some of my highest conversion rates, some of my biggest success stories in the last 2 to 3 years with my students, and it's only getting easier and better and more fun, everyone. So if you're interested in actually having an awesome coach that's been in this for about 10 years now, then definitely you need to link up with me and let me know what you guys are stuck with or what you're looking to do, and I will guide you in the right direction and show you exactly how to make this a profitable venture for you guys. So give this video a like. Let the AI start doing all your heavy lifting, everybody, and I too will go ahead and guide you and show you how I'm using it to get next level results, and so are my students. For those of you that have stayed to the end, congratulations! I have this bonus training for you. There's a free website out there to turn your website photos into videos, like 6-second, 9-second, 10-second videos. And there's a lot of little free tools out there that do it, but this tool actually has the highest quality out there. And I'm going to give you the website name right now. It's called with an HAILUO.video, AI video. So it's HAILU.AI video. And the cool part about it is, everyone, is I gotten over 1,000 credits for free just signing up with my Gmail account. And I only have like 5 more days left. And I'm going to share with you guys the photos and videos that I uploaded here and that it made me. And it's so cool. Let me play you a couple of videos right here. Take a look at this. So this is a video right here that came from a photo. Okay, let me open it right here. Take a look at that. Look at how nice that is. Let me play the next one. Look at this, you guys. So cool. And so all I said is, have the cat looking up at my owner, and my owner's touching the dining chair covers, and you can see the quality in my dining chair covers, the actual lines in the fabric. It's phenomenal. And here's another one of another customer here touching the covers. And all you got to do is upload your photo, and I'll show you exactly how to do it right here. All right. So this is how you do it. You go right here, you upload your photo, okay, in this section right there, just your one photo. And then you're going to say something like this. Woman smiling, happy about her new dining chairs, and cat looking up at owner. Something very simple. And once you hit create, you're going to hit 3 of these. I actually create as many as I can, and you're allowed to create up to 3 each time. So I do 1, 2, and 3, and it takes 90 credits. And it takes about 5-6 minutes, everyone, but it's well worth the wait. And these videos you can put on your website, you can put in different places on Facebook, and they're really creative. And this is the future, everyone. So you should start getting into this now and start taking advantage of this now. So I hope you guys got a lot of value. Give this video a like. Take care, everyone. I'll see you on the next video. My name is Coach Scott with your Digital Ecom Mentor. See you then.